Wilson, and in today's video we are going to do an Icee baby bottle. Alright, now you remember back in the day when we used to drink them Icees, them little slushy Icee things? Well, that's what we about to do today. Alright, now we're going to rock with the 9-ounce wide neck baby bottle. We will be using the bottle and also the lid, and I'm going to go ahead and put the nipple part of it. I'm going to put that part up. Alright. Okay, you guys, I am back. And as you can see, the bottle is prepped and ready to go. All I did was taped off the neck with black electrical tape. And as I turn the bottle around, and I also taped off the measurements because, again, if you haven't seen my past videos, I do not like using bottles if they do not have the measurements, all right? And then I took my Scotch pad and just buffed the bottle, removing the clear coating that's on the bottle. That way the primer could adhere to the bottle. And then also I have my lid, and I did not do anything to the lid. We're going to leave it as is, okay? So, oh, I'm sorry. And I also wiped down the bottle with rubbing alcohol. And, yep, we good to go. So, with that being said, okay, you guys, the bottle has been sprayed with 2 coats of white primer paint. Now, I wanted to show you something. All right, now the bottle is completely dry. However, there is a run. If you can look right here, there's a run. And also, the filter had fell on the bottle while it was wet, and it scraped it a little bit right here and right here. Now, I wanted to show you this because we're going to fix it. All I'm going to do is take a light sandpaper and gently sand this area where the run is, and gently go over where it's scraped at right here to make sure it's nice and smooth, and spray paint it again. Okay, you guys, this is our Icee baby bottle. Now, it's not complete because I ran out of epoxy. So we're just gonna make do for right now for this video, and I'll finish it later on when I do get epoxy. But I'm gonna go ahead and go over the steps that you need to take to complete this bottle. Now, the lid has a coat of glitter. Then I sprayed it with the sealer. And then what you want to do is go ahead and put a coat of epoxy on the bottle. Let it dry overnight. Then you want to come back and sand it, and then put another coat of epoxy over the bottle. So I have a total of 2 coats of epoxy. That way it'll look more like a lid to an Icee, right? But you get the idea of what it looks like right now. It's not, the glitter is not going to come off right now because it does have a coat of sealer. Then once you complete that, you want to let the bottle, the whole entire bottle, sit for at least 24 hours so it can cure, right? And then you want to clean your bottle. You want to use acetone, or it's called nail polish remover, but it has to be 100% acetone. So if you get epoxy on the neck of the bottle, just go ahead and take your acetone and clean it right off. And then once you do that, go ahead and wash your bottle in soap and water, warm water, and then you're good to go. Dry it out, and then boom, you are done, and it can be used. There you have it, our Icee baby bottle. Isn't it cute?